Under the weather wasn't originally a phrase about colds, it started at sea. In the 19th century, sailors who felt sick were sent below deck. Up top was wind, spray, and violent motion. Below deck meant protection. They were literally placed under the worst of the weather. But here's where people overcomplicate it. Some claim the full phrase was under the weather bow, referring to the storm-exposed side of the ship. That expression did exist, but the evidence for it directly becoming under the weather is thin. What we do know is that by the early 20th century, the phrase had fully detached from ships. It no longer meant storm exposure, it just meant feeling unwell.